Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone.
Today we will be discussing how to buy NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. Are you ready to catch all the NBA action this season? YouTube TV makes it super easy to add NBA League Pass to your subscription. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps so you can start watching your favorite teams. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Fix Zone for more tech tips and tutorials. It really helps us out.
Okay, let's get started.
First, you'll need to be logged into your YouTube TV account. You can do this on your computer, your smart TV, or your mobile device. The process is pretty much the same across all platforms. For this example, we'll use the YouTube TV website on a computer. Step 1. Head over to the YouTube TV website and sign in. Once you're logged in, look for your profile picture or avatar in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. Step 2. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, you'll see a few different tabs. Click on the Membership tab. Step 4. On the membership page, you should see a section for add-on networks. Scroll through the list of available add-ons until you find NBA League Pass. Step 5. Once you've located NBA League Pass, click on it. You'll be presented with information about the subscription, including the price and what it includes. Step 6. Review the details, and if you're happy to proceed, click the Add or Subscribe button. You may be prompted to confirm your payment information. Step 7. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize your purchase. You might need to enter your password or verify your payment method. And that's it. Once the transaction is complete, you'll have access to NBA League Pass through your YouTube TV account. You can now find and watch live and on-demand NBA games. Now let's quickly address a common question. What if you don't see NBA League Pass in the add-on network section? If you don't see it, there are a couple of things to check. First, make sure your YouTube TV subscription is active and in good standing. Second, NBA League Pass availability can vary depending on your location, so it might not be offered in your region. If you're unsure, it's best to contact YouTube TV support for clarification. So there you have it. A simple and straightforward way to buy NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. Now you can enjoy all the basketball action you can handle. Thanks for watching Fix Zone. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions or if there are any other tutorials you'd like to see. Enjoy the games. We'll see you in the next video.